guys, spring is now officially upon us here in Tokyo as the first cherry blossoms have just started to bloom. The entire city and the entire country are going to be covered in gorgeous snowy white cherry blossoms. So it's a really fun season, and to celebrate it, byFood is doing a very special giveaway that 5 winners are eligible to win with this premium Japanese cooking kit. It's made of wood, it's gorgeous. The contents are worth 325 USD. So clearly there's something really nice in here. And you still have a chance to enter this contest if you book a restaurant or food experience on byfood.com before April 30th. So there's still time to enter, but please make sure to check the website for more details and conditions to see if you're eligible to win. So without further ado, let's check out this gorgeous premium giveaway gift box. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Oh, this is, I love it. It's very spring themed. Everything is Sakura colored. First up, oh, we have a cute little note. It says, "Thank you for celebrating Sakura season with us." That's so nice. So this is something like you come to Japan for a Japan trip and then you'll get a little fun Japan souvenir sent back to your house afterward. And what is, honestly, the ultimate Japan souvenir that everybody has to get is a Japan Kit Kat. They have the most original flavors that are all very Japan inspired. This one is Sakura Kinako. Sakura being cherry blossom, and then Kinako is roasted soybean powder, which is sweet, a little bit nutty. I love Kinako. And it comes with 2 of these, by the way. So you are getting a good amount of cherry blossom Kinako Kit Kats. What else do we have in here? This is so pretty. This is Sakura black tea. They come in tea bags. The company is from Kyoto Uji, known for their green tea, but the black tea is sourced from Kagoshima Prefecture in southwestern Japan, and the tea bags also include the sakura leaves, which it also has salt in it. And in Japan in the springtime, it's quite common to drink a salted cherry blossom tea. It's just kind of an interesting thing using the cherry blossom leaves in the springtime. So yeah, this would be a very fun way to celebrate the season, bring a little bit of Japan back with you. And I just realized, because there's tea, it also comes with a Japanese teacup with cherry blossoms on it. Look at this. It's actually a gorgeous teacup. It's porcelain, really looks like a handcrafted Japanese teacup, really beautiful. So basically you can enjoy your Japanese cherry blossom tea in your cherry blossom cup. We actually have another tea. This is another cherry blossom tea called the Sweet Sakura tea. What's interesting is it includes dried pickled cherry blossom leaves. So you might get a little bit of like a salty, acidic flavor with it. It's kind of a unique type of tea that, honestly, as I mentioned, is often enjoyed in the springtime. There's also some matcha pecan chocolates, and it's from the Matcha Tokyo. This is a popular cafe that is in Omotesando. I think they also have a couple of other locations. They obviously specialize in matcha desserts and drinks. So these are pecan nuts that are coated in matcha chocolate. I think I'm gonna give it a try. It sounds really good. Oh, it's got that wonderful, like, relaxing matcha scent. That grassy matcha scent, but also it smells sweet. Wow, I could eat a lot of those. Yum. The chocolate is so creamy. You might think matcha and chocolate, it's been done before, kind of basic. It's really good. I could eat a ton of those. If this wasn't exciting enough for you already, it does get more exciting. This is so pretty. It is a gorgeous, you know, little bit Sakura color tin. It's got some traditional Japanese illustrations on it. Sounds a little bit like a candy tin. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Look at this. It's an assortment of little tiny Japanese cookies. There are also what I believe to be cherry blossom shaped sugar candies. Apparently they come from a very long-standing confectionery shop in Ginza called Ginza Kikunoya, supposedly 5th generation run, and they specialize in Edo style sweets. That's really fun. I haven't had a chance to eat cookies from the Edo era before. Let's try one of these little sesame cookies. These look so good. That's good. That is legitimately a sesame cookie. That's the best way I can explain it. Very small, so it just disappears quite quickly, but it's got a really satisfying crunch and crisp to it. I like it. This is a fun tin. All right, moving on. Things are starting to get very interesting. We have some boxes inside the box. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful. It is a set of couples chopsticks. That is so pretty. And it even comes with these Mount Fuji shaped chopstick rests called hashioki in Japanese. This is the husband's chopstick and this is the wife's chopsticks. That's so cute. And apparently the company originates from Fukui Prefecture in Japan. Wonderful. Oh my goodness. I would really, really like to have this as well, actually. It is a wooden, handmade bento box. So you can make your lunches and put it in this stunning Japanese bento box. It is entirely made of wood in the traditional style. So they would actually take like a sheet of wood, soften it, I believe, so that they can wrap it into a circular shape, and then they seal it together on the edge with these little wooden like stitches is what it looks like. It's just really cool craftsmanship. And on the inside, oh, okay, they have a little wooden divider that you can put inside to divide your food. And then they have this little stretchy band, which is what you would use to keep the bento box closed. Yeah, and then this is ready to take to the office or like picnic, like whatever you wanted to bring a lunchbox to. This is very impactful. I was not expecting to see this in the box. So heavy. This is really, really hefty. It is a Japan The Cookbook, and it's gorgeous. Like the cover both looks and feels kind of like it's made of bamboo. So beautiful. It's written by Nancy Singleton Hachisu. The photos are gorgeous. There's apparently over 400 recipes in this book. It seems to be Japanese recipes that are both very traditional and some that are a little bit modernized versions of like actual Japanese recipes that you would probably see if you went to a fancy Japanese restaurant or izakaya. There's over 400 recipes. Look at all of the pages. No wonder it is so heavy. If you are into cooking or you just want to learn more about Japanese food, this is a great find. I'm really amazed by this. It is so hefty. So, the last star of this premium giveaway box that really does make it really premium and definitely super worth the value that we said it was is this. Cha-cha. What is this? What do you think this is? Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness! They have included a Japanese knife in this box. This is really good value because this is worth around 177 USD. So if you win this box, one of 5 lucky winners can also get a Japanese knife made here in Japan. The handle is gorgeous. It is made of natural magnolia wood, and you can actually see the natural wood grain in it. The blade is also gorgeous. It's got this wonderful marbled design on it. Apparently, it's called a wagyu to, which translates to like Japanese beef knife, but it's a type of knife that is meant to be easy to cut meat with, but not only meat, also fish and vegetables. So it's a very versatile shape of knife. The handle like fits very nicely in your hand. I like it. It seems like a really solid knife. So yeah, there you go. This is the very special prize at the end of the gift box. What do you guys think? There's a lot to offer in this gift box. It's probably the fanciest gift box we've ever made. Like a knife so you can cook Japanese food at home while reading your cookbook. You can eat Japanese snacks while you're cooking in the kitchen with your cookbook and your knife. And then you can eat the food that you made with your Japanese chopsticks. And you can pack that later into your lunchbox to take to work the next day. They've thought of everything. And as a post-meal treat, you can enjoy your Japanese tea in your teacup with the Sakura, and you can have a little sweet dessert. So many desserts, I love it. So basically everything you could want in your kitchen to make a wonderful meal is here in this box. And that's why it is a premium Japanese cooking kit, basically. So let me know what you guys think about this. I had a really fun time unboxing it. I hope you guys had a good time watching me unbox it. And remember that you still have a chance to enter to win this if you guys would like, until April 30th. So go book something on the website, restaurants or food experiences, and make your time in Japan an absolute blast. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck winning this incredible premium gift box. See you guys next time. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, click the photos on the left for more, and click the one on the right to learn more about byFood and book your own Japan adventures. Bye!